Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add graphs in CapCut PC. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut application and then choose or create any project you want, and then import any video you want to. So the next step, you need to uh, increase the size of this timeline, and then you need to add keyframes. You need to go to the first second, and then in the video section right up here next to transform option, you need to click on this little dot to add a keyframe. After that, you need to go to the second keyframe and then add it, then the next keyframe. After that, all you need to do is to click on the second keyframe and then increase this scale to, for example, 200%. After that, the third keyframe you need to do 100%. Then the fourth you need to do 200% again. Then every second keyframe you need to make 200%. After that, all you need to do is to click on this play button and see what we have done. And that's how to add graphs in CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.